welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. Today, I have a captivating collection of stunning easy haircut ideas for you. Today, we are going on an exciting journey into the world of stunning short haircut ideas. If you are looking for a fantastic idea for a pixie cut or easy ways to style your short hair, you are in the right place. Let me be your trusted guide as we explore this transformation, creating a stunning look that will leave you amazed. Now we all know that our hair plays a big role in defining our style and boosting our confidence. That's why I have put together a collection of styling tips and ideas that will capture your heart with these new techniques. You will see an incredible change in your hair, making you feel incredibly beautiful. Just imagine the magic of white and black colors. These colors have an irresistible charm that will make your hair look incredibly elegant. With so subtle highlights and bold undertones, and see how they add depth and dimension to your haircut. Get ready for a fantastic transformation right before your eyes. Now let's get to the good stuff. I have a special set of short hair styling ideas. These hairstyles are not just trendy, they also make a real impact. Whether you are into chick pops, pixie cuts, or any other short haircuts, you're in for a love affair with these amazing ideas. And don't worry if English is not your first language. Fashion is a language that everyone can understand no matter where you are from. Now let's dive into the world of enchanting grey, white, black and brown colors. And how they can transform your hair. Imagine the shine your hair will have with these breathtaking colors. Black and grey together creates a timeless attraction, giving you a sophistication and enchanted look. These are the ultimate hairstyling ideas just for you. In addition to the variety of styles and colors, we have included some amazing transformational haircuts in this video. Witness the magic as we showcase women with long hair who opt for a bold and confident short haircut. It is truly remarkable how a simple haircut can completely change a person's appearance. And these transformations serve as a testament to the power of a hairstyle to boost self-confidence and make an amazing impact. I'm sorry if you hear any background noise, please bear with me. And I promise it will not take away from your enjoyment of this video. video is not just about basic styling ideas. It is a gateway to a whole new look. My channel is a treasure trove of invaluable content that will help you achieve your dream hairstyle. From step-by-step tutorials to expert advice and guidance, I have got you covered. Every step of the way. Don't miss out on any of the latest tips and tricks. You will not want to miss what's coming next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any